Okay, welcome everybody, and this is our last HTML code for HTML CSS code for the day. And as usual, I'll make this simple and short for all of us. First, we start off with the HTML snippets with the doc type HTML, then the HTML lang to English, making the browsers know that it's English. It's set to viewpoint for it to be responsive on phones. Then we have the title. The things in the title don't appear on our web page. Then we have the title of the page. Then let's dive right into it. Okay, so on the body, which is where things actually appear, we have the hero section with the hero class being hero and the ID being home. This is the first big section people see, with it having H1 being the big main heading, and then the P tag being a short description of it, and then the A being a link for a button that scrolls to the gallery section. Then you have the about section, which introduces who you are and what you do. The H2, which is for the session title, and then the P tag, which is your story and purpose. Then go to the gallery section. This is where your garden pictures appear. And we have our image, SRC, the source, the alt. Then we have another one for the image and the source. Then the div class is gallery grid. This is the container that holds all image boxes. The alt helps blind users and improves in case it isn't able to display well. Then we have the store section. And then in this section, this shows the plants for sale. And it contains image of the plants, the description, and then the order. Then we go over to the review section with its class being review. This shows what customers say. Each review has a block quote tag, which is used for quoting people. Then we have the FAQ, which is for questions and answers. This answers common questions. Each question has its class as FAQ items. And then the H3 there is for the question, and then the P is for the answer. And we have the footer, which is at the bottom of the site where people find the email, the phone number, and the location of the developers. Then we head over to our CSS. I'll also make this simple. The CSS controls the color, the spacing, the layout, and the visuals. Then we have the first one, which is the box sizing, the margin, and the padding. This removes unwanted default space and makes layout sizing accurate. You have the styling, in which the font is in sans serif, which makes text easier to read, and then the color and the line height makes dark gray text instead of pure, makes it a dark gray text instead of pure black. Then you have the hero section styling, which is the dot hero, which centers the text, add large space inside, and then light green natural background. Then we have the dots. BTN, which styles the button with green color and then makes the text white. Then we have the general section, which adds space inside every section. Then let's move to the gallery layouts. Then dot gallery grind display is set to flex. The flex swap is also set to warp, with the gap being 15 pixels and then it being center aligned. Then it uses flexbox and the images arranged in rows and automatically face the screen. Each image keeps a minimum width. Then from there, we go to our footer, with it being, which will give it a lime green background, centered text, and then proper padding. Now let's run our code and see. Our green, light green, the about us, the images, then get in touch with us. The end.